PUBG Mobile hide results, how to hide career results and outfits in PUBG Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can hide career results and outfits in PUBG Mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to hide your career results and outfits in PUBG Mobile, you want to open up PUBG Mobile, and from the lobby, from the bottom right hand side, you can see the upper arrow icon right next to inventory. So what you have to do is tap on that upper arrow icon. Now from here you want to go to settings from the top right hand side, as you can see right there, and you'll come to this particular page from settings. Now from settings you want to go all the way to the right hand side and select privacy and social from the bottom right, and from here you can see allow others to see results at the top. What you want to do is switch or disable this option to private or friends only. So when you switch this to private or friends only, your career results and outfits will be hidden in PUBG Mobile. You can also customize with other settings if you wish. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.